Hey, good evening. It's the trading night with Trading Conviction. I'm here with another update, so let's get into it. Actually, it's like almost the end of it is the end of the weekend. It's a Friday and the market's up. My stuff is cranking. My wife says I don't sing good, but I sing very good. I sing sexy. But in today's news, right, I got the crypto market cap up. Bitcoin doing pretty good. It's at 90,947. Earlier it was trading around 91,500, a little bit higher. Hopefully it stays above the 90,000. All right, we got your Ethereum trading at 3,000 still in the second. I just wanted to bring the coin market cap up because I wanted to see if these meme coins and also some of these altcoins are pushing up higher. So we got Dogecoin still at the sixth level. It's trading at 55 billion market cap, which is looking good. And this thing overtook our XRP and Cardano, which probably won't hold too long because Cardano is pumping up higher and higher, and mainly because of what Trump pushed out about the not paying capital gains taxes for the U.S. based companies. So then XRP is one of them. So that coupled with the firing of the SEC chair Gary Gensler will pump XRP pretty high and likely push it over Dogecoin and maybe BNB because XRP right now is at a 50 billion market cap and can push higher. We got Cardano trading, or we're not trading at the number nine. She is 11. It was above there, but it's at 11 at almost a 15 billion market cap. Hopefully can push up higher. It did hit the 3 level, but did pull back because a lot of the crypto market as a whole pulled back. But it seems like it's pulling up higher. Hopefully can stay like that over the weekend. I got some AVAX, which AVAX is doing all right. Pepe's at 15, close to a 10 billion market cap. Right, it did push up higher, but right now it pulled back a little bit. But look at that, 7-day percentage. You got 116% uh profit right there if you got in earlier. If you bought right there, where is it? Before the elections, dude, you are in some cash depending how much you put in. I got some Bitcoin Cash. And it's doing all right. I think I bought at the 440 level, so I'm kind of at a loss there. Dot is doing all right, 514. As long as it stays above the 5 level, we're doing good. And then I got some Litecoin, cool. But I got some, where is it? BONK. BONK pushed up even more. It was trading at 34, number 34. Yeah, okay. Okay, it's trading at number 34. Yeah, my daughter's looking at me kind of funny. Yep, but I'm the big dog. Get it? Because I'm bought BONK. And BONK's up 106%, right, over the 7 days. But BONK's pushing up crazy. I think it's at a 30 or 40% increase from from its little retracement it had. I think BONK, it has a 3.3 or almost a 3.4 billion market cap. I think it can push to at least well, not push, but can drop a zero. Is the most likely one to drop a zero because the circulating supply is about 75 trillion compared to, where is it? Pepe's 421 trillion, and same thing with Sheep with 500 and about 90 trillion. So that's why I think BONK is also climbing up very quickly. All right, moving on to the economic calendar. Right, CPI data came out this week at 2.6. It was just as it was forecasted. Revisions, none happened. PPI came out where it was supposed to be, and there's a revision to the previous PPI data, which came out to 0.1%. So I guess inflation is going a little bit down. Uh, Retail sales came out fairly decent at 0.4%, higher than expected. And Federal Chairman Powell spoke and kind of put some dampers on the crypto market about how they're not in a hurry to reduce rates, that the economy is not calling for that. So that kind of put a little douse of water on the flames. But hey, with the crypto people, they're pushing up the market higher. And with Trump in office and with the promises he made, if the market's pushing up like it is, with him, with people just thinking what he's gonna do, imagine what he can do when he goes in the market. I mean, not goes in the market, but fulfills his promises on what he will do that he spoke in Nashville. So I'm in it to win it. Got them diamond hand, don't have them paper hands. And let's move on to the Fed rate monitoring tool. All right, the Fed rate monitoring tool we got looking at a 25 basis point reduction, and the federal interest rate decision comes out December 18th, which is in 4 weeks, 4 days, 19 hours, and 19 minutes. It's at a 63.4%, so it's likely to happen if if the Fed does decide to hold rates at the 4.75%. It's going to hit the crypto market pretty hard, which will greatly give crypto at a discount and be the time to buy in. Yep. So again, diamond hands, not paper hands. And before we close out this video, we're gonna look at the charts I got up. We got the U.S. dollar index, right, trading at 106.67, like more likely because of what happened with inflation and also what Federal Powell said. All right, it kind of pushed up. I think it hit the 107. Did it hit the 107? Yeah, it hit the 107, pulled back a little bit, but also with the USD pushing up higher, it's hitting crypto also. It is hitting gold and silver, but gold and silver is taking a hit because, because a lot of money is pouring over there to the crypto side. But the Dow Jones Futures did push up higher, didn't quite get to the 45,000 level, but it is making new highs. And potentially could there be a hit to the stock market? Who knows? Right? I'll probably still keep pumping. It might be able to even reach the 50,000 level. Because if crypto's pushing up higher, typically the stock market also pushes up higher. And oil is staying around the same. Been kind of ranging. Right now it's at 66.95 level. I got the monthly chart on. Oh, not the hourly. Let's do the daily. The daily chart. I had the 1 month on. All right, on daily, see how much the US dollar has pushed up higher. Silver and gold have been getting slammed. Dow Jones Futures kind of pulled back, but it's still doing good. And the oil market is looking like my life, going up and down, all around. Can make a sound. Boom, 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 boom. All right. Anyways, let's push on to the Bitcoin charts. Let's see, or the crypto charts. Bitcoin's doing well. Now, looking at this, right? If this thing is forming an ascending channel, then Bitcoin is likely to pull back. And right now, we got an engulfing bearish candlestick medium thing, which could potentially validate that there might be a pullback. But if this can push up higher, then hopefully it invalidates that ascending channel. Now, because of these wicks right here, it could be I guess what I call it a speakerphone type of pattern, which just means there's a lot of volatility that's gonna happen within this space. So if it does happen within this space, right, the speakerphone gets higher and it can increase the range of which it pushes, but it won't break down too low. But if it does break down low, and this is validated, this pattern ascending channel pattern, then price could potentially break to the 85,000 level, maybe a little bit below. All right, so hopefully that doesn't happen. Ethereum is pulling was pulling down a little more. Right, it's trying to hold above that 3,000 level, which is good. Hopefully, can stay. But if I go to the 1 hour chart, which I'm not gonna do it, it's gonna show a descending wedge. That could potentially push price a little bit higher. Man, let's just go to the hourly chart. Right here. So an ascending wedge right here, which could push price to maybe the 30, or let's say 34, 35 level, but that's not an hourly chart. Typically, the patterns, right, and price movements on the higher time frames have less noise in it, so We'll see what happens. Same thing with Shiba Inu on the hourly chart. Once you zoom out, it'll show a descending wedge. If it is validated that descending wedge is good, price could push to the 3.2 level. Right. Dogecoin, not so much. Right, Dogecoin is doing all right, and DOT is also showing that descending wedge. All right, moving on from here. Well, the descending wedge is good, so I purchased a little bit more to get in because I think price is going to push up on those, and maybe Bitcoin is going to push up higher and help me out. If not, then hey, diamond hands. All right, moving on to the crypto miners. That's what I want to do. Crypto miners. Crypto miners. Da 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 da. Ba da da da. All right, Bitcoin. You see, ascending. It does look like an ascending channel. Well, if it drops, then I'm just holding some more. Well, Valkyrie Bitcoin miner, like, man, it had. Let's go to the monthly chart. So I can check it out. All right. So monthly chart, the ascending wedge, not wedge channel, price push up higher, cannot sustain, push back inside that ascending channel. If it cannot keep pushing up and it drops down to 20 level, which I doubt, price is gonna collapse pretty significantly. And in order for that to drop that much, that means people are starting to dismiss that Trump is actually going to fulfill on his promises, or something crazy or sinister is happening. But I don't think so. So I think prices will eventually recover. Marathon Digital, same thing. If price starts pushing down lower, it's going to validate this inverse cup and handle, which is not going to be good. Right, price did have a strong pullback. It had pushed up to around 26 level, but now it's trading at the 2107 level. What's crazy is I did have some options on here with a 20 cash secured put at a 25 strike price, and of course it pulled back. So I'm gonna get assigned, and I'm gonna have to purchase it at $25 right on Monday. But price Marathon Digital is gonna push up higher, so I'll just hold it and sell cover the calls and make some money. Right. Right platforms doing well, pushed up higher. It's still I bought it at 7.76, so I'm still in profit, but it did pull back significantly. It was trading as high as 1586. CleanSpark, I'm not in, but it looks like it's pushing up higher and maybe looks like an inverse head and shoulders, but pushes up higher, it'll create what look like a cup and handle, and price could potentially push up higher and help out these other crypto mining stocks. But it's Friday and it's family night, and I'm gonna make it right. So I'm gonna get out for now. Let's see what the crypto market does on the weekend. If anything pops up, guess what? I'm gonna be on. All right. So y'all have some good trading out there, and remember, it's only fiction without conviction. Guess what? Trading night out.